So we drove over to Interlaken this morning. We did some whitewater rafting, which was really good fun. We couldn't bring cameras with us, which is annoying. And we've just checked in. A shared balcony area, just to show you. This goes straight out onto Interlaken. So that is the view. Talk about stunning. Oh, you got pedalos as well. Have to give that a try. Can hire out a boat. We headed into town for some raclette rosti along with a couple of Aperol spritz before making our way to the funky chocolate experience. We've tried Swiss chocolate from a chocolatier and visited the chocolate museum, but now we wanted to make our own chocolate. The hardest part was stopping ourselves from eating it all while it was melted. Just having our breakfast with a view from the hotel. So we're heading to the Staubbach Falls. After that we're going on a Murren cable car, take us up to the Murren village. And then apparently there's another falls, Stechelberg Falls. That sounds good. Staubbach Falls is just a 10-minute walk from Lauterbrunnen station and through a nice little town. While the sight of the waterfall was incredible, but Raquel was slightly more distracted by the cows standing in front. So the cable car was closed, annoyingly, so we jumped back in the car to drive to the next stop along, and hopefully that one will work. Just stopped the car because the views are just stunning as we're driving. Got the snowy mountains, and then over there got another waterfall. We've spotted the cable car, now we just need to get to the base. The cable car was absolutely packed. We were squeezed in like sardines. Thankfully, once we reached the top, the incredible views and peaceful car-free village of Murren made up for it. So we took the cable car up to this really nice spot, and they've got a co-op up here, so I got my salmon sushi. Yay! We stopped some apple strudel with a beautiful view. I have fond memories of apple strudel from when I was a kid, but I'm not so sure it's still a favourite. It was nice watching the paragliders glide right past the cafe low. Thankfully the cable car back down was much quieter, so I finally got to enjoy the incredible views. We then headed over to Lake Brienz, where we finished our rafting adventure the day before, and I still couldn't get over just how turquoise the water was. We'll come back to the room now. There's a storm overhead, so it's really nice just watching the waves crashing.